Hi, good morning students. This is Harish from Dan Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. So in the previous class, I was explained on chapter like probability. So and also I introduced the and explained the definitions and some basic problems, example problems. Is it right? So today I would like to continue the same chapter and also exercise problems like 16.1 exercise. In this exercise, the first question is like this. Describe the sample space for the indicated experiments. The first question is like this. So we have to describe the sample space. A coin is tossed 3 times. Then what are the possibilities of outcomes? Or write the sample space. See here, a coin is tossed 3 times. If a coin is tossed once means we get two result. Is it right? Like a head or tail. At the same time, if you have to toss a coin is twice, we get four result. HH, HT, TH and TT. And similarly, a coin is tossed 3 times, we get 8 results. Like which are the 8 results means like the sample space S is equal to HHH, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH, TTT. So these are the sample space. Understood? If a coin is tossed how many times? 3 times. And the second question is like this. A die is thrown 2 times. See, I already explained in the example problems. If a two dice are thrown or a die is thrown 2 times, both are same result. Is it right? So here a die is thrown 2 times means how many possibilities of outcomes are there? Is it right? If a coin is tossed, if a dice is thrown once means we get 6 results. At the same time, a die is thrown 2 times means 6 into 6, 36 results. I think all of you will know which are those 36 elements. Is it right? So therefore, the sample space S is equal to uh, the if a die is thrown once means we get 6 results. Similarly, at the same time, the second time means that is also 6 results, which is equals to how many sample space sample points? 36 outcomes are there. Is it right? Which are those 36 outcomes means you have to list all the elements. Like sample space S is equal to, I will write some 2 or 3 examples, remaining you have to fill it. Like the first element is like 1 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3 and so on. First you have to pair with 1. After that 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and so on, 2 comma 6. Similarly up to 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3 up to and so on. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದು? Up to 6 comma 6. Totally how many results we will get? 36 result. Understood how do we get 36 results? Okay. Next we go for the third question. The third question is like this. A coin is tossed 4 times. In the previous problem, a coin is tossed 3 times, we get 8 result. At the same time, a coin is tossed 4 times, then what are the possibilities of outcomes? The question is, a coin is tossed 4 times. Coin is tossed 4 times. 4 times. Okay. Then what are the possibilities of outcomes? Or write the sample space. The sample space S is equal to the elements are 4 times toss ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ you should write 4 H's. HH. Understood? Next H na change ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. Like H, 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 T, next H, H, T, H, next to H, H, T, T. Understood? Next ಈ third place ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದನ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ H, T, H, 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 T, H, T, next to H, T, T, H, next to H, T, T, T. Understood? Similarly, ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 8 ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇನ್ನು 8 ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆ 8 ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಚ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಅದೇ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 8 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಟಿ, ಹೆಚ್, 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 ಟಿ, ಹೆಚ್, ಹೆಚ್, ಟಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಟಿ, ಹೆಚ್, ಟಿ, ಹೆಚ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಟಿ, ಹೆಚ್, ಟಿ, ಟಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಟಿ, ಟಿ, ಹೆಚ್, ಹೆಚ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಟಿ, ಟಿ, ಹೆಚ್, ಟಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಟಿ, 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 ಹೆಚ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಟಿ, 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 ಟಿ. ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ? 8 ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಈಸ್ ಟಾಸ್ಡ್ 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ then the possibilities of outcomes is 16. Is it right? How do we find out the 16 means 2 power 4 is equal to, how do we get to 2 power 4 means number of the sample space containing how many elements means there are two results are there like head or tail, and how many times we are tossing here coin? 4 times. 2 power 4 andre 2 na 4 times multiply ಮಾಡಿ 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 16 sample points are there in this example, in this problem. Clear? I think I understood all of you. Is it right? A coin is tossed 4 times means we get 16 result. Okay, next we go for fourth problem. What is the fourth problem means? The fourth problem is like this. I will read the fourth problem. A coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Question is like this. A coin is tossed. A coin is tossed and a die is thrown. A die is thrown. That means a coin is tossed. First time we are tossing a coin, and the same time second time we are throwing a die. First is coin, second is die. Then what are the possibilities of outcomes? Or describe the sample space. The sample space S is equal to contain like this. First in case another, if a coin is tossed means we will get maybe H. Second time we are throwing a die means like H comma 1 or H comma maybe 2, H comma 3, H comma 4, H comma 5, H comma 6. This is only the first result. Maybe a coin is shows head. Similarly, if a coin is shows tail means then what are the possibilities of outcomes? Again we should write pair with tiles like t comma 1, t comma 2, t comma 3, t comma 4, t comma 5, and t comma 6. These are the possibilities of outcomes if a coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Clear? Then totally tell me how many elements are there in this sample space. There are 6 to the 12 elements are there. Understood? So write down the notes like this. Okay, next we go for question number 5. Then what is the question number 5 means a coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown on the coin. A coin is tossed and then a die is rolled. Write the question. A coin is tossed. Coin is tossed and then a die is rolled. A die is rolled. Only, only in case, only in case a head, a head is shown, a head is shown on the coin, on the coin. Please try to understand the question. A coin is tossed. First time we are tossing a coin, and then a die is rolled. Again we are throwing a die or rolling a dice. Only in case, especially he mentioned only in case a head is shown, not a tail is shown. Because of a coin is in case shows head means uh, corresponding throwing a die. If he shows on the coin, then what are the possibilities of outcomes, or describe the sample space? The solution is like this. I think all of you understood how to write the solution. Is it right? Coin shows head and die shows all the results. Understood? Then how to pair write the sample space means h comma 1, h comma 2, h comma 3, h comma 4, h comma 5, h comma 6. Understood? The only a coin shows head, not a tail. Okay, pair with dice like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Clear? These are the sample space. Understood? Uh, Next we go for question number 6. Question number 6. Question number 6 like this. Two boys. How many boys? Two boys and two girls, and two girls are in room, are in room like X. Room mentioned, room name is X, and one boy and three girls in room Y. Clear? Specify, specify the sample space. Specify the sample space for the experiment, experiment in which, in which a room, a room is selected, a room is selected, and then a person, and a person. Very simple. Question is very lengthy, but answer is very very simple answer. Okay, first try to understand the question. Two boys and two girls are in a room X. The room X containing two boys and two girls, and room Y containing one boy and three girls. Specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected and then a person. First we have to select the room. First select the room andre first ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ರೂಮೇ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Don't write the person. Then person ಬರಿಬೇಕು. There are only two rooms like X and Y. First mention the room, next person. First mention the room, next person. I think you get an idea. Then the sample space S is equal to, very simple. First we select the room. How many rooms are there? There are two rooms are there. Which are those? X and Y. Hagadre, the room X containing how many boys? Two boys. Those two boys, how should we write means like X comma B1, because of first we selected room. Next in that room there is only one boy. and same room containing the second boy B2, comma same room but the room containing also girl like G1. Next to same room X containing second girl G2. Clear? I think you get an idea. Next after that we go for room second or room Y. Clear? The room Y starts with Y. Room Y containing how many boys? One boy. But that boy can be written as B3 because of there are three boys are there. Y comma B3. Next, how many girls in the room Y? Three girls. Clear? Already we mentioned G2. Next we mentioned G3. Y comma G3. Next to Y comma G4. Next to Y comma G5. So this is the sample space. Understood all of you how to write the sample space? Shall I explain once again? Two boys and two girls are in a room X. One boy and three girls are in a room Y. Specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected and then a person. First we select the room, next to person. There are two rooms. Total number of person is two boys and one boy. Total three boys. Two girls and three girls. Totally five girls. But the room X containing only two boys, like X containing two girls. Room Y containing only one boy, that boy can be written as B3. And room Y containing three girls, G3, G4 and G5. This is the sample space. Understood? Next we go for problem number 7. Please note down all of you or write the notes. Don't miss this very important questions, and kindly maintain the notes also. Clear? Next we go for exercise. Same problem I will continue. Problem number is 7. Okay, just a minute. Okay dear students, the next question is question number 7. uh, One die of red color, one of white color, one of blue color. Blue, white, red. There are three colors of dice are there. Are placed in a bag. Are placed in a bag. One die is selected. One die is selected at random. We don't know which die color are selected means. And rolled. Its color and the number on its uppermost face is noted. And the number on the uppermost face, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ಫೇಸ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೋ ದಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದೆರ್ ಆರ್ ತ್ರೀ ಡೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದೋಸ್? Let us we consider three dice like this. Let capital R denotes red die, and W denote white die, and B denotes blue die. I think understood the students, is it right? So let us be consider the sample space. S is equal to try to understand how to write the sample space. I am taking one die from the bag. I am taking one die from the bag. We don't know which die I am taking, which color kind of die I am taking. In case or if I am take the first die is maybe it's red. Maybe it's red. Then how to write the sample space means the red die shows 1, maybe. At the same time, maybe the red die shows 2, the red again 3, or 4, or 5, or 6. Understood how to write the sample space? R stands for red die. Understood? The results are the red die containing 6 results. And white like W1, W2, W3, W4, W5, W6. Finish. White die finished. Next, last.
Next, which one? Blue die. Like B1, B2, B3, B4, B5 and B6. So these are the sample space. Understood, students? How do we construct the sample space? Very simple. There are 3 dice are there, like red, white and blue. Those dice shows the results 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Those results should write like this. First maybe red containing 6 result. Next to white containing, that is also 6 results. Next B blue containing, that is also 16 hertz. Understood? Next we go for another question. Question number 8. Clear? See, the question is like this. Okay, dear students, the next question is like this. An experiment consists of recording boy and girl, composition of families with 2 children. That means a family containing 2 children. Those children containing like this, boy and girls. Composition. So the first question is like this. What is the sample space? What is the sample space if we are interested in knowing whether it is a boy or girl in order of their birth? That means we have to write the sample space. Maybe the first baby is a boy or girl. It depends upon their birth. Maybe 2 babies are born the family means maybe both are boys, both are girls, maybe girls are boy, maybe first one is girl or boy. We don't know exactly, but we should write the sample space like this. Understood? Then how do we write the sample space to the first question? Means a family is containing 2 children means like this. Maybe boy because the first one is also boy, the second is also boy. Then what do you know what is the possibilities? The next possibilities, maybe first born is a boy, the second one is a girl. Don't write like this. Maybe the first baby is a girl, the second one is a boy. This is also one of the possibilities there. Do you know one more possibilities? Yes, very good. Both are girl. GG. So this is very simple. See, this is your sample space. The question is very lengthy. If you understood the question, definitely you will get the solution. Otherwise, you can't. Clear? The second question. What is the sample space if we are interested in the number of girls in the family? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಹುಟ್ಟಬಹುದು ಆರ್ ಹುಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲೇನೋ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ? ಎಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು maybe there is no girl in a family means both are boys means 0. Maybe one girl, or both the children are girl. Both means 2. Understood how to write the sample space? See, the sample space or the solution is very simple. When the solution is very simple, if you are understand the question. Clear? I think all of you understood how to write the sample space. Clear? And the last question, question number 9. Question number 9 is like this. A box contains one red and three identical white balls. Three identical white balls. Full stop. Two balls are drawn. Two balls are drawn at random in succession without replacement. ಹಾಕಿದ್ದನ್ನೇ ಮತ್ತೆ ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಕಬಾರದು. Without replacement. Then write the sample space for this experiment. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬರೀರಿ. Very simple. How do you write the sample space? Try to understand the question. A box containing one red and three identical white balls. Totally box containing 4 balls. 2 balls are drawn. But we are taking only 2 balls, not 4 balls. Is it right? In succession without replacement. Once only ನೀವು ತೆಗೆದು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬಾರದು. ಬಾಲನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗೀತದು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಬಾಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡೋದೆಷ್ಟು? ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 balls. ಓಕೆನಾ? Then the sample space S is equal to, how to write the sample space? So first you are picking the ball, maybe red. If you are taking the red means automatically the second one is white. Very good. Maybe if you are taking first ball is white, the second may be obviously red. Maybe the chances is like this. First you are taking white, the second is also white. Because of there is only one red. There is no, don't write RR like this. Okay na? So these are the possibilities of a sample space. Understood students? So up to ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸನ್ನು ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. Very important for your examinations. Please note down or write down. Notes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಓಕೆ. I am scrolling the sheets. You just copy it and maintain the notes. Okay dear students, I will meet you in the next video. Okay, thank you so much.